Hi guys, how are you? Today how to make basket in SolidWorks. We'll learn it. At first open the SolidWorks software, then go to file and click new and click part and click OK. Now go to top plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle to origin and give the dimension 130 and 230. Now go to isometric view and feature and extrude, reverse and 70, draw views 8 degree. Okay. Now go to here, fillet tools, fillet 10 degree, 10 millimeter. Okay. Now go to here, fillet 5 millimeter. Okay. Go to isometric view and use shell 1 degree, 1 millimeter. Sorry. Now go to more surface tools and use roulette here, here and here. Here select and here and here, here and select here. Keep the below 20. Okay. Go to isometric view. Now go to thicken. Give the thicken 1 section here. Okay. Now go to shaded tools. Now go to front plane and sketch. Go to normal tool. Draw the rectangle here. Select and give the dimension. This rectangle dimension 6. Now this line and this line dimension 6 and this line and this line dimension 8 and this one and this line distance 11.60. Okay. Now go to fully define. Now go to feature and extrude curve. Through all both. Okay. Now go to linear pattern and select this box, select direction and here select feature, extrude cut. Okay, we need 19 after 10 millimeter. Okay. Now go to right plane and sketch. Go to normal tool. Again draw the rectangle. Now give the dimension 6 and this line dimension 6, and this line dimension 8. Now now this point and this point and this line, this point and this line dimension 7.16. Okay, select. Now go to feature and extrude. There are fully defined extrude cut through all both. Okay. Now go to linear pattern and select the edge, and this box select feature, and here select 10. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now we can here use fillet point 1, and here select all is. Okay. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now you can use materials, plastic materials. I can use this color. Okay, go to isometric view. Now you can, okay. Thank you all, everyone. Share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.